Are you struggling with the limitations of Microsoft Teams and Zoom for your hybrid remote workforce? It's time to explore a solution that truly meets your needs. Many companies face challenges with collaboration, communication, building a sense of community, and creating company culture on these platforms. At NexGen Virtual Office, we understand these pain points and offer a seamless migration experience. NexGen Virtual Office is designed to transform how your team works together, providing instant collaboration and a suite of business management tools that enhance productivity and engagement. Our platform is equipped to handle all aspects of remote team management, from customizable virtual office floor plans to robust communication features NexGen Virtual Office integrates everything you need in one place. Concerned about the transition? Don't be. Our expert support team is here to guide you through every step of the migration process, ensuring a seamless and efficient transition. Say goodbye to the frustrations of Microsoft Teams and Zoom. Embrace a new way of working with NexGen Virtual Office, where your team can flourish with enhanced community, culture, and instant collaboration. Ready to make the switch? Contact us today to schedule your demo and see how NexGen Virtual Office can revolutionize your hybrid remote work environment.